कोई भी सपना साकार करने के लिए सबसे जरूरी है सही कोच का होना। चुनिए NISM क्लासेस को और करें अपने NISM NCFM का सपना साकार। Download the app now.
Hello students, welcome back to our channel. Today we will see the chapter 1 from NISM series 10A, that is Investment Advisor Level 1. But friends, before this I would like to take you through few details of this certification. Once you pass this certification, you can easily get a job in financial institutions or asset management companies or broking industries. So this certification is very important. Now about the marks and the assessment structure. This examination is for 150 marks and you get 3 hours to complete this examination. The passing percentage is 60%. That means out of 150 marks, you have to score 90 marks. There is also a negative marking of 25%, that is 0.25 marks. So if there are 4 incorrect answers, 1 mark will be deducted from your total score. There will be 90 multiple choice questions and there will be few questions which are based on case studies. So there will be around 9 case studies and there will be few questions from the case studies. So 60 marks for the case studies and 90 marks for the multiple choice question. So total 150 marks. So what we do is basically the name of our institute is NISM classes. So we are providing you coaching on all such NISM certifications, not only investment advisor, but also like equity derivative, which is series 8, mutual fund, which is series 5A, research analyst, which is series 15, investment advisory, PMS, and various other NISM certifications. There are more than 25 certifications in NISM. And what we do is basically we are providing the live classes. So we take live sessions. So we explain all the chapters in details, all the terminologies, all the processes, concepts, all the classes we are taking is on live. So there are 20 chapters in this certification, that is investment advisor. And what we provide is we provide the reading material, the latest workbook from NISM, that also we are providing. We are also extracting the short notes from the workbook because the workbook is very lengthy. So it will be confusing and you'll get confused, what to study and what to leave. So what we are doing is we are extracting short notes from the workbook. Also, after the chapter explanation, after each chapter explanation, we are taking verbal tests. So when we are asking questions, we are able to understand whether your concepts are clear or not. If you're not able to answer any question, then we get an idea that your concepts are not clear. So what we do, we explain those concepts once again. So we make sure that you understand each and everything from this curriculum. We are also providing a lot of MCQs per practice so that you get good practice and you are able to pass this certification with a good score. And we are also providing few videos to watch offline. Alright, so that will be a extra support that you can get other than the live classes. So friends, if you want to make a career in a financial industry, so at least you should have 3 certifications, like maybe the equity derivative or mutual fund, investment advisor or research analyst. Any 3 certifications from these 4. Also friends, like if you want to pass with good marks, what you can do is you can enroll for the certifications. You can enroll for our coaching. All the details like our mobile number, the email ID, the telegram channel ID, our Insta ID, all the social media platform details are given in the description box. You can contact us back to know the next available batch and what are the fee structure and if there is any discount or offer going on, all such details you will get to know. Also, we have our mobile application. You can download that. There also you will get to know all the details of the various certifications that we are providing along with the fee, various other details. And we are taking all the classes live, let me remind you. And if a person is working, like if he's a working professional, for such people we also have late evening batches like from 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11. So we have late evening batches also. So now let's see the chapters in investment advisory. So there are 20 chapters in this certification. There are 6 models. In the first model, there are 4 chapters. So the name of the first chapter is Introduction to the Personal Financial Planning. So friends, first of all, we have to understand what is the concept of financial planning. What is the meaning of financial planning? Financial planning means a person is earning some amount, so he has to do some savings so that he is able to meet his current as well as his future expenses and needs. So that is the importance of financial planning. If we are not able to save any amount, so we are not able to we will not be able to do any investments, and we will not be able to achieve any goal. So, financial planning is very important. So, what is given in the book? Understand the concept of financial planning. Financial planning aims at ensuring that a household or individual has adequate income or resources to meet the current and the future expenses and the needs. So, the investor has to make sure that he has enough income so that he is able to meet his current as well as his future needs and requirements. Understand the need for financial planning. Why there is a need of financial planning? Friends, see, nowadays there are so many options are available. Like if there is any investor, he has an option to invest in stock market, mutual funds, fixed deposit, insurance, real estate, gold. He has an option to invest in post office. There are different schemes available. Then there's also commodity investment, commodity trading, currency trading, cryptocurrency. So there are so many financial instruments available in the market. So the investor may not have clear clarity on which instrument he should invest and what should be the allocation towards it. So then the need of the investment advisor arises. So what is the need? What is the job of an investment as advisor? He has to see the risk appetite of the investor, and he has to do a proper allocation of the assets, and he has to advise the client, which option or which instrument he can invest, and what should be the percentage or what should be the amount. But before that, he has to see, what is his current income, what are his expenditure, what are his savings patterns, what are his existing investment, and what are his future goals. Accordingly, he has to do the recommendation to the client. So let's see what is written in the book. Understand the need of a financial planning. There is a large range of financial products, as I told you, and services that are available for investors today, and this needs to be linked to the specific needs and situations of the client. Not every product may be suitable for to every client, nor would a client be able to identify how to choose and use products and services from the choices that are available in the market. If there is a client who is senior citizen, we cannot advise them to invest or trade in derivative segment. For them, they may be interested in some kind of fixed income instrument like bonds and debentures. So for such clients, we will advise such products which are safe and which will give the capital protection as well as some kind of good returns, like better than the fixed deposit, which is beating the inflation, right? So the financial planning has a significant role to play when it comes to advising clients, because the need of each person is different from the that of the other. So the investor advice with the help of the investment advisor, the client will be able to decide which is the perfect product for him to invest, so that he is able to get good returns, and the risk management is also taken care of, and his future goals will be achieved. What is the scope of financial planning? Financial planning enables a household or an individual to manage its personal finances efficiently in line with their short and long term objective. The objectives can be different, like some may have a short term objective, some may have a long term objective. Long term objective can be a retirement planning or a child education or a child marriage. Short term objectives can be like if you want to do a short trip to Europe, so that can be a short term objective. So the objectives or the goal can be short term or long term. Depending on their objective, we have to design the products which is suitable to the client, considering his risk appetite. So, personal finance analysis. What are the important points? We have to set the goal. Okay, so goal setting with prioritizing of goals is important. Focus on important goals, staggering the timing of certain goals, cash flow management and budgetment. Cash flow management means whatever the income the client is receiving, like he may be working, he may be receiving the salary, his wife may also be working, or he may be having some part time business, all the sources of income and budgeting. Insurance planning is also very important. Then management and counseling. Debt management and counseling means, say for example, if a client has a home loan which is running at 9% interest and a personal loan which is running at 12 to 13%, but he also has a credit card. So what we will do is we will advise the client to first pay off the outstanding of the credit card, because the rate of interest will be high in credit card. So this is called as a debt management or a and the counseling. So we have to advise the client which is the loan that he has to finish it fast. Okay. Then investment planning and asset allocation. Asset allocation means what should be the percentage, towards the mutual fund or towards the bonds and debentures, securities market. So the percentage that is called as a asset allocation. Tax planning, if one has to save the tax, what are the products available in the market? Like we can go for ELSS, which is where the investor can save the tax. Then retirement planning and estate planning. All these are the the personal financial analysis. All right. Concept of asset, liabilities, and net worth. Now, what is net worth? Net worth is equal to liability assets minus liabilities. Okay. Now, say for example, if a client has a 1 crore flat and he has a liability of 30 lakhs, so his net worth will be 70 lakhs. So, net worth is equal to asset minus liability. So, 1 crore minus 30 lakhs, which comes to 70 lakhs. So, the client has a property worth 1 crore, but he has taken a loan. He has a loan running which is of 30 lakhs outstanding. So this is how you calculate the net worth of a client. And assets can be different categories, like there is physical asset and there is a financial asset. Physical assets can be like your home, the apartment or a shop or a land. All these are the physical assets. Financial assets can be the investments in stock market, mutual funds, bonds, debentures, fixed deposit. All these are the financial assets. So, friends, this was the small portion from this chapter 1. I hope you like this video, and do like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends who wish to make a career in the financial industry. Also hit the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications, because every day we are uploading the demo sessions or MCQ sessions or informative and latest updates in the NISM series examination. So you will get all the notifications. And also do not forget to download the mobile application. The link is provided in the description box. So friends, thank you so much for your valuable time, and you all have a great career ahead. Thank you.